Hi guys, good morning. So today, maglilinis ako ng snow kasi tingnan mo naman oh, ang daming snow. Maglilinis ako ng aming sasakyan kasi natabunan na. Masarap naman siya. Ito yung ano ko oh. Tingnan mo naman yung ano ko. Yung bulaklak ko. Kawawa. Buti na lang hindi to totoo. Ano to? Fake to. So, come with me guys. Maglinis tayo ng snow. Buti na lang may suot ako ng mga thick na ano para hindi masyado malamig. Okay naman siya. So far so good. So, let's go. Kawawa ang ano ko oh. Ang bulaklak ko oh. Oh my God. Hindi na makita pala ang ano ko. Yan yung bulaklak ko. Tapos yung steps. Yan yung steps. Ito yung bulaklak ko oh. Ano na. Natabunan na sila. Ayan oh. Yung ano ko oh. Grabe. Ang mga ibon naglipara na. Ang lamig niya pero maganda pa din. Maganda pa rin siya. So nalinisan ko na yung sasakyan ni Daddy. Ito yung sasakyan na. Tapos ko na siya nalinisan. Umakyat ako dyan sa taas. Okay na siya. So next, yung sasakyan namin. Yan. So ito yung linisan ko. Tingnan mo naman oh. Ang snow, ang ano na siya, makapal. Natabunan na talaga yung sasakyan. Tingnan mo naman oh. Wala na. So ito yung linisan ko guys. Kuha muna ako ng sahig. Wala pa akong proper na ano, kasi unexpected. Bibili na lang ako ng ano, pang ano mamaya, later. Unahin ko muna pala to ang aming hagdanan. Meron pa akong ano package. So ito yung gloves ko. Ilagay ko muna kasi tinanggal ko. Ang hirap kasi mag ano ng cellphone. So ito na. Glove is on. Tingnan mo naman to. Let's go. So first ko nalinisan guys is yung ito. Sarap nito pag may kape. Pagod. Yung asawa ko sana mag-ano nito eh. Mag-clean, kaso sabi ko ako na lang kasi na-excite ako. Oh my god, tumigas na dito kasi pabalik-balik ako. Hagdan kasi eh. Two more steps. Ginamit ko na lang yung kamay ko. Isa na lang. Tandaan ko na yung ano ko, yung puwet ko ano na. Malamig, so basa na siguro tong puwet ko. Okay, finally it's done. The stairs is done. Masarap naman pala. Parang tubig. So pati ano, nandito na yung anak ko.
I want to help you.
You ready to go?
Daddy,
Yes.
I saw some matador snow.
Taas.
Mommy, I got a big piece.
Oh no. Bye.
Mommy, like mommy.
Here, it's right here. You want to try the snow? This one here. This.
Wait,
This. Here.
no.
You like it? Daddy's leaving. Look at the top of the car. Daddy still have the car. The snow. Daddy's leaving. Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh my goodness.
you're super cold.
Super cold.
I'm gonna shut your hand.
Ah.
So,
Snow? You want to try this snow here?
yeah.
The sun is coming. It's gonna melt the snow. What? Really? Ah!
It's already a puddle.
I know.
But at least there's a lot.
Yeah.
Oh no, look at the plants.
Yes. Even this one, look at this. They're gone. There's a flower down there, you know? Ah! You find it! You find them. There you go.
More.
More? Nandito na yung araw. The sun is here. Melting the snow. Ah! I think I kind of like the snow there hanging. Right?
Yeah, I'm gonna go there. Take that. We should clean
So
the old
thick, huh?
washing machine.
Yes.
Let's
So
clean
thick.
it. Yucky.
Yep, it's so yucky.
Ready? Just a little.
Look at the car trying to get out.
Maybe.
Oh my god, look at those trees. It's full of snow. Let me know when it's this cold, okay? So I can get a new one. Let me get this.
Can I throw you?
Yes, but not in my face, okay? You should put
Okay,
this.
so what happens if ice go on your face?
Where is this? Baby girl, are you cold? I want to change your gloves, okay? Yeah?
No, I'm not cold. No.
Okay.
Water.
Go there first. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh.
I don't want to play in it.
Go ahead. Let's go. Let's go see the trees. Grabe oh, ang ganda ng ano.
Look at the car.
Snow, yes.
Car.
Wow. Oh, look at the snow there. Ah,
That doorway is so scary.
yeah. Oh my god, look at that. Okay, let's go. Yeah? Okay, let's go back. It's Yak Yak. My husband is back from the store. That's it?